Hello, this is Jason Clement, Technical Sales Manager at Isonas, and welcome to the Certification Training Module. This module is Holidays and Shifts. Our course objectives are learn how holidays work and how they apply to shifts, learn how shifts work and how they are applied, and learn how to create these objects through DB Crystal. So again, providing access. Keep these things in mind when creating these items in DB Crystal. Who will have access? When will they have access? And where will they have access to? These three items combine into permissions, which are the basics for providing access to the system. This module will be covering the when. What is a shift and a holiday? A shift is a time frame in which something happens in the system. For example, when people groups have access to certain door groups. Again, we want to group people and doors into logical groups to make programming easier. Or an unlock schedule for a door or a group of doors. A holiday is a date that overrides a normal shift. For example, an office main entry is normally unlocked during business hours. On holidays, the business is closed down and the unlock schedule should not occur. Or a business has certain days where they are only open for half a day. All the normal schedules should change to reflect the half-day schedule. Things to keep in mind. When creating shifts, keep in mind holidays. For example, if you use the same shift for unlocking the front door as you do for people access to doors, what happens on a holiday? If you still need people to have access on holidays, then a separate shift needs to be created for access to those doors. Always keep in mind the full scope of the system. Sometimes it's necessary to create additional shifts depending on whether it is a door unlock, unlock times, or when alarms occur. Now let's jump into DB Admin, configure a holiday and some shifts. We'll go to our calendar menu and choose holidays first. Again, we're going to click Insert. And what date does it fall on? So we'll do Christmas, and Christmas here in the US falls on December 25th. We'll give it a name of Christmas, and it's going to apply to all areas. And that's all we need to do for a holiday, and then we can add additional holidays in as you need. We'll just add the one Christmas one in here for now. Close out of holidays, and then we can either go to calendar shifts, or we can just click on the icon up here. So we'll click on the icon and we'll click on our Insert button. Our employees will have access from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. This includes our office and warehouse employees, Monday through Friday. So we'll go ahead and label this Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then we'll check our boxes here. And we'll say we've got 0500 to 1900. Everything is military time. So we'll go ahead and copy this and then paste it down to the rest of the boxes. And the same thing for our 1900. Now, employees will not have access to the building on holidays. So we'll leave the shift type at normal so that they will be excluded from holidays and will not have access to the building. We'll go ahead and click OK. Now, managers will have 24-hour access 7 days a week. So we'll go ahead and click Insert, and we'll click Sunday through Saturday, 24/7. So we'll go ahead and just click all the days of the week. You can see by default they go from midnight to midnight. Now, managers will have access on holidays as well. So we're going to go ahead and change the shift type to both so that they'll have access both on normal days and holidays. We're going to go ahead and create one more schedule. Both an office door and a warehouse door will be unlocked from 8 to 5 during normal working hours. So we'll go ahead and click the Insert button here, and we'll say this is a door unlock, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We'll go ahead and click our days of the week, and then we'll say 0800 to 1700. And again, we'll just copy and paste these down. And of course, we do not want this to be unlocked on a holiday, so we'll leave it at our normal shift time. So we see that I've kind of split everything out. My door unlock schedule is going to be a strict door unlock schedule. I really don't want to use that for anything else. And then our employee and manager access are separate time schedules as well. Now let's review our course objectives. We learned how holidays work and how they apply to shifts. We learned how shifts work and how they are applied. And we learned how to create these objects through DB Crystal. Thank you for attending this course, and we hope it was beneficial to you. Have a great day.